Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm with Lucas in this amazing abandoned place to test out, well, an FPV drone, but also my new Zhiyun Weebill 2 stabilizer. We're gonna talk about some of the features and I'm gonna show you some of the footage taken right here with this stabilizer.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy.
I'm in Calasetta right now, which is south of Sardinia in the island of Sant'Antioco, and I'm going to pick up Lucas. This is a funny story with Lucas. I was in the Philippines in 2016 and I did a kite surfing course and he was my coach, my teacher there. I'm in Sardinia this year in 2021 and I found out he's teaching half an hour away from where I am. We're gonna meet up after 5 years. He's in Punta Trento, which is one of the best places for kite surfing here in Sardinia on the island. And we're gonna find out soon because in the next days I'm going to revise my kite surfing skills. So stay tuned right here. Let's go. Guys, that's the guy. Lucas, 5 years after we meet in Sardinia. We're gonna explore this place right now. FPV drone. He actually has quanti ne hai due. He's got 2 drones, so we're gonna test them out and I'm gonna show you how I'm using the Zhiyun gimbal.
Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care.
We're entering this abandoned factory. It's huge. I mentioned in the intro today we're gonna test out the Zhiyun Weebill 2. I think it's great to show you how the gimbal works. I'm gonna give you some feedback on the stabilizer as well as we go. Let's talk about camera gear. That's the first thing I noticed on this gimbal. I'm using an A7R III by Sony. I tried the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K and that doesn't balance on this gimbal on the Weebill 2, so something to keep in mind. You probably need some counterweight. In terms of Sony cameras, I'm sure they will fit properly. And yeah, that's the first note I want to highlight in this video. I'm using 2 different lenses today, the 1635 G Master by Sony and the 85mm at 1.4. And bear in mind, the 1635 has stabilization in the lens, in the body, and also the camera has some internal stabilization, but the 85 doesn't. So we got some issues with the drone now. Let's find out. The light is pretty cool. It's just coming through the windows. Let's take some shots, reveal shots, tracking shots, and also some shots of Lucas as he is flying the drone. What I love about the stabilizer so far is if you get the Pro version, the Weebill 2 Pro, you will get the follow focus system, and that is a game changer because you can actually control and pull your focus from the gimbal itself without using the lens and make your image not as stabilized as it should. So definitely I recommend the follow focus system when you're using a gimbal. Actually, check my video here on how I focus manually with the gimbals. Let's talk about the joystick. The gimbal comes with the joystick, and that's quite handy actually to set up your shot properly. You can use the joystick as you're moving with the gimbal. Another good feature I found is the monitor. There's a tilting screen with all the settings, so you don't need to have the app installed on your phone. You can just change the settings through the gimbal, which is great. And the other thing was an extra handle for more grip. We're moving outside. Lucas want to try some dives just nearby the big walls here. And I think we're gonna close the episode right there. I hope the video was helpful somehow and gave you an idea about the Weebill 2. Once again, stay tuned for more on this channel. Thanks for watching.
Seems all good times come and go your way. Child memories fall up the road.